All right, let's jump right in, shall we? Today, we are diving deep into Neuralink.
Oh, yeah,
I mean, the stack of articles you sent is huge, so clearly this is something you were super interested in.
definitely.
And to be fair, it's a fascinating topic. You know, brain chips, BCIs, I mean, it's all pretty mind-blowing, right?
Absolutely. I mean, I think it really raises some fundamental questions about what it means to be human in this age of, rapidly advancing technology.
Yeah, for sure. So, first things first, let's kind of set the stage for those who might not be totally familiar with it. What exactly is Neuralink? You know, founded by Elon Musk in 2016, sure, but what's the big picture goal here?
So Neuralink is all about developing these implantable brain-computer interfaces. We call them BCIs for short.
BCIs.
And their main focus is on this chip that they call the link.
The link. Okay.
And what they want to do is create this seamless high bandwidth connection between the human brain and computers.
So basically, like controlling computers with our minds.
Exactly. That's one of the big goals.
That is wild. Like straight out of science fiction. I mean, are we talking like, moving a cursor on a screen with your thoughts, like Professor X kind of stuff?
You're exactly right.
Wow. Okay. So obviously there are huge implications for things like assistive technology, right? Helping people with disabilities.
Absolutely. They're looking at things like restoring movement for people with paralysis, enabling communication for those who can't speak.
And I even read about a patient, I think they called him Alex, who is actually using his implant to create 3D designs in CAD software. So it's not just, basic functions. We're talking pretty complex stuff.
Yeah, it's really incredible how this technology is already being used.
It is incredible. But okay, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's back up for a second and talk about how this link actually works. What's the tech behind all of this?
All right, so the link itself it's a coin-sized chip. And the idea is to implant it in the brain. And it's designed to be what they call cosmetically invisible, so you wouldn't even know it was there.
So it's not like some big clunky device sticking out of your head or something?
Nope, not at all. And the real magic here is in these ultra-thin threads with electrodes on them.
Okay.
And these threads are implanted into the cerebral cortex, which is like the command center of your brain, responsible for all the higher-level functions.
Right. So the neurons are firing, sending signals. But how do those signals actually get from the brain to a computer?
Okay, so that's where the Link's custom chip and Bluetooth technology come into play.
Okay.
The chip processes all the signals from those electrodes and then transmits them wirelessly, like Bluetooth headphones.
Oh, I see. It's like your brain is basically pairing with your computer.
Pretty much. And to make sure all those threads are implanted precisely where they need to be, they've developed